Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will start our new chapter 8 percentage and its application. Okay, firstly see what is the meaning of percent. Percent means out of 100 or we can say in every 100. Or we can say per means per 100. So, the sign of percent is represented by this. In our daily life, we always see that there is a this much increment, this much percentage increase in the population, increase in the sale of the department, or whenever we will talk about our class, that percentage increase in the result, examination result, wages how many percent increases. So, in our daily life we will see that increase or decrease prices or other things. Now we will use how we can calculate easily these type of concept we can do easily. So, one thing, see how to change any given percentage into fraction. It is given to you 30%. What is the meaning of this 30%? That is equal to 30 divided by 100. It means when we want to change percentage into fraction, we will divide by 100. And we want to change this one in decimal, then this is equal to 0.3. Also divided by 100. Similarly, if anything is given to you in fraction and we want to change into the percentage, then what we will do for changing into the percentage, we will do multiply by 100. That is equal to 5 to the 10, 20, 3 the 60, 60%. We want to change any decimal, suppose given to you 0.05 and we want to convert into the percentage, then what we will do? Multiply by 100, that becomes 5%. So, this type we will change percentage into decimal and fraction into percentage. Now, see properties about it. Your first concept, percentage increase and decrease. In this one question is given to you, suppose example that increase 300 by 15%. This value 300 is increasing by 15%. Then how we will find out? Firstly, we find out that 15% of 300. इस वैल्यू का 15% किसके इक्वल है? That is 15%, it means 15 by 100, of means multiply is equal to this, then this is equal to 45. So, result is 300 plus 45 is equal to 345. So, whenever we are increasing anything, that this value is increasing by this percentage, firstly find out how many percentage, this percentage of given value is equal to what value. Then we will add in the given value. Then we will get our result. Similarly, if here question is decrease 650 by 12%. Then How to find out this? Firstly, find out same thing, that 12% of 650 is equal to 12% means 12 by 100, of means multiply 650. Then you can say 5 2s are 10, 5 13s are 65, 2 6s are 12, 16 13 6s are 78. Now result is equal to given value minus 78. 10 minus 8 2, 14 minus 7 7. This is equal to 572. So this type decrease this value by any percentage. This is called percentage increase and decrease. Now see the next topic. To find one quantity as a percentage of other. Your next topic is in this. To find one quantity as a percentage of other. कोई क्वांटिटी किसी का कितना परसेंटेज है. सपोज इट इज गिवन टू यू दैट 30 kg express 30 kg as a percentage of 105 kg. कि 30 kg 105 kg का कितना परसेंट है. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट? फॉर दिस व्हाट वी राइट डाउन? फर्स्टली वी वांट टू दिस फाइंड आउट, देन वी राइट डाउन दिस वन एज अ न्यूमरेटर. गिवन थिंग we write down in the denominator, then multiply by 100. This percentage has no unit. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 20, 10, 7. This become 200 divided by 7. Then you can write down in fraction. 7 2s are 24, 60, 7 8s are 56 in percentage form like this. 28 4 by 7. So this time we express one quantity as a percentage of other. Next, percentage change. Our next topic is percentage change. This one may be percentage change, increment or decrement. Percentage change, whenever we will do percentage change, then we write down here change in value divide by actual value multiply by 100. It means how much percentage change in Rahul's weight from 60 kg to 80 kg. कि अगर राहुल का वेट इंक्रीज हुआ है 60 kg से 80 kg पे, तो उसमें कितना परसेंटेज चेंज हुआ है. फर्स्टली एक्चुअल वेट इज 60 kg. नाउ न्यू वेट इज 80 kg. तो वी कैन से परसेंटेज चेंज और increase in percentage. We can say this also, or increase in percentage, because weight is increasing, so that's why their percentage increase. 60 to 80 percentage change. How many? Firstly change in value. 60 to 80 में कितना change हुआ है? 80 minus 60. Actual value 60 multiply by 100, that is equal to 20 by 60 into 100. 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Then how many percentage change in the value? 33 1 by 3 percentage. This type. One question is there given here. The distance between two places are, the distance between two places are, two places was 200 kilometers. It was measured as, it was measured as 280 kilometer. Find the percentage error. Find the percentage error. This is also same formula as a percentage change. Actual distance, actual value is 200 kilometer. Was measured at, it means this is a wrong value. So we want to find out percentage error. Then percentage error is equal to how many change in the value? 280 minus 200 divide by actual value 200 multiply by 100. This becomes 80 divided by 200, 40%. So this time we find out the percentage change, we can, or percentage error in questions. Now see, your next concept, finding the original amount before a percentage change. Before a percentage change. Take question. The cost of a train ticket from New Delhi to Dehradun has risen by 20% to rupees 600. What was the original price of the ticket? See here, what is your question? The cost of a train ticket from New Delhi to Dehradun has risen by 20% to rupees 600. It means पहले जो भी cost थी ट्रेन के टिकट की वो राइज हो चुकी है कितने परसेंट से? 20% से, और राइज होकर अमाउंट कितना हो गया है? 600. Then what was the original price of the ticket? टिकट का ओरिजिनल प्राइस क्या होगा? ओके सी, पहले जो भी वैल्यू थी अगर उसमें इंक्रीमेंट हुआ है 20% का, देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू 600. इट मीन्स ओरिजिनल प्राइस लेस होगा और मोर होगा फ्रॉम द 600. ऑब्वियसली इट विल बी लेस. बिकॉज जो भी प्राइस होगा जब हम उसमें 20% उसका ऐड करेंगे then you will get 600. So how to do these type of question? Let original price of the ticket is equal to rupees x. x का कितना परसेंट इंक्रीज हुआ है? 20%. परसेंटेज, और वी कैन फाइंड आउट 20% of x is equal to 20 divided by 100 multiply by x, that becomes 0.2x. So what will be the increased price? Increased price is equal to 0.2x. Then after increasing price of the ticket is equal to, पहले थी x, उसमें इंक्रीज कितना हो गया? 0.2x का, दैट बिकम 1.2x, जो कि तुम्हें गिवन है, दैट इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 600. नाउ सोल्व दिस इक्वेशन. x is equal to 600 divided by 1.2. this decimal you can remove from here. Now 12 5s are 60, this become 500. It means rupees 500. So what we can say, that original price of the ticket is equal to 500. So this time we will find out finding the original amount before a percentage change. अगर यहाँ decrease होता, has decreased by 20% to rupees 600, तब हम क्या करते? Then what we will do? That you have to take, this become now decreased price, and after decreasing price of the ticket क्या हो जाएगी? पहले x थी, उसमें से 0.2x माइनस हो जाएगी and it become 0.8x. It means now this 600 is equal to 0.8x is equal to 600. Then x is equal to 600 divided by 0.8. 4 2s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. This become रुपीज 750. इट मीन्स इस टाइम पे क्या होगा? ओरिजिनल प्राइस जो होगी वो नाउ आफ्टर डिक्रीजिंग जो वैल्यू होगी उससे मोर होगी. सो दिस टाइम वी विल फाइंड आउट द ओरिजिनल प्राइस इफ एनी change, increase or decrease is given to you. So students, you can attempt your exercise 8A completely. Thank you.